Hello, today this is what I got: hydroponic fly traps.
Yes, you do.
It needs everything you need. Your fly traps without soil, but you need moss for this. Sprouts only just 3 weeks. Actually eats insects like flies.
Flies.
And this is how my little sister looks like.
Flies.
This is how her voice sounds like. Hydroponic generates water. Agua is Spanish for water. Germinated to grow. Ages 12 and older. Grows for years. Because these are perennials. Let's get into the inside of this thing.
Wow, that's a lot of pieces.
Did you say happy birthday to?
Happy birthday, the Aunt Con.
Happy birthday, No.
Why no?
Wow, that's a lot.
Wow.
Oh,
This is what I got for Christmas.
got for Christmas. Look
These are the materials for B. This is a plant food hazard.
Yeah.
Keep it out of your eyes. Venus flytrap seeds.
These flytrap seeds. Yes, it is a big flytrap seeds.
Fresh soil move.
We tried to cut
Grab let's come. Venus flytrap stickers.
Big flytrap stickers.
Here's the care sheet. Here's the soil materials you can put in.
Cereal.
Goodbye, everybody.
That sounds